Hello, my name is Sharon Fitzpatrick and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle with Sharon. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make lovely fluffy scrambled eggs, and I'll show you how to cook the scrambled eggs so that you don't have that stubborn pot to try and wash afterwards. And I'm going to be showing you a couple of different varieties, one with bacon and tomato, as well as a normal scrambled egg. Hope you enjoy. So here you have a delicious scrambled egg with bacon and tomatoes. Nice, tasty scrambled egg in a roll, and it really is delicious. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up. Every week I do a video to show you some lovely recipe ideas, so it'd be great to share it with your friends. And if you haven't done so already, do subscribe to the channel. It's free of charge, and hit the notification button. That will tell you when the videos come out each week to remind you. Right, I'm using 4 eggs for this scrambled egg. I put it straight into the pan, a non-stick pan. Now I don't put any butter in mine. A lot of people do, but I prefer just to have the egg. I don't add any milk. And just give it a good mix. You don't need to have butter in it, but some people like to. If you put milk in, just don't put too much in because it can make it a bit watery. Personally, I just prefer it with just the egg. You don't need to put any oil or anything in your pan if it's a good non-stick pan. Just the egg. Season it with a bit of salt and pepper. I know there's all different ways of doing this, but me personally, I prefer to just keep stirring it. Some people just do this every now and then, but I personally love to just keep stirring it. It looks better and it cooks better. And you can see how quickly it does actually start coming together. If you have your gas too low, it takes forever. If you have it too high, it can burn. So a medium heat is the best. This is so simple. Just a plain scrambled egg. Very good for you. Lots of protein, lots of nutrients. Scrambled egg you can have as part of your dinner or your breakfast. It's lovely. Now, it still keeps cooking when you turn your gas off. So turn it off just before it cooks. And we're going to add it into a roll. That's what I'm going to do with mine today. Right, so that's it. It's very, very simple. Nice, tasty scrambled egg in a roll, and it really is delicious. Now what you're going to do is you're going to cook your bacon before you start your scrambled egg. You could grill it for a healthier option, or you could fry it, and olive oil is healthy oil to use, or you could use the 1-calorie spray. Right, while the bacon is cooking, you want to cut up some tomatoes, and I tend to use the ones on the vine. It just seems to have more flavour, but you can use any tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, plum tomatoes, beef tomatoes, whatever you like. And you just want to chop them into little bits. You don't want them too big. That's why I like using the cherry tomatoes. They seem to be the best. Okay, when you take your bacon out, if you are frying it, put it on some kitchen roll and then put a bit of kitchen roll on the top, and it just soaks up any excess oil. And then you let these cool down. And what you want to do is, I always cut the fat off of mine. You can keep the fat on if you want. And then you just cut it into little bits. I just find cutting it with scissors is much easier than trying to cut it with a knife. Now, as an alternative to bacon, you could use salmon. Right, we're just going to crack 4 eggs into a non-stick pan. Now you want this on a medium heat. Just mix the eggs around. I just mix it with the wooden spoon because the fork can damage the non-stick pan. But you can always mix the eggs beforehand and then put it in. But I just put it straight in the pan. Add a bit of salt, bit of pepper. Now you just add your bacon that's cooked and add your tomatoes. And you just mix it around as it's cooking. And you just cook this on a medium heat. Other alternatives is you could add mushrooms into this if you wanted to. You could just have the scrambled egg with mushroom only. You could have the mushroom with the bacon. You could add cheese to your scrambled egg. There's loads of different varieties you can do. And this in a breakfast roll would be lovely in the morning. You could even put sausages in. I'd love to hear your comments on what varieties that you would like to try. See, it really doesn't take long at all. Now, today I'm actually going to serve this up with hash browns because this is a nice lunch to have, or breakfast. And as you can see, it's so simple to clean afterwards. Literally then just give this a wipe with a bit of kitchen roll and it's done. You don't have all the eggs sticking to a pot or a pan. So here you have a delicious scrambled egg with bacon and tomatoes, served with a couple of hash browns. Well, I'd love to hear from you in the comments on how you get on yours, and I will get back to you. I hope you enjoy. And thank you for watching the video on how to make the lovely scrambled egg with a couple of different varieties. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.